Scene script. Have you ever wondered how facts shape our world and influence our decisions? Well, let's dive into the fascinating realm of facts. Imagine them as the building blocks of our knowledge. Just like bricks are fundamental to a building, facts form the foundation of our understanding. They provide us with the raw material we need to build our own perspectives, shape our beliefs, and make informed decisions. Every day, we rely on facts to guide us, whether it's checking the weather to decide what to wear or researching a product before making a purchase. Facts are the signposts in the journey of our lives, guiding us down the path of truth and helping us avoid the pitfalls of misinformation and falsehood. But the power of facts goes beyond just informing our decisions. Facts can also change our perspective and outlook on life. Have you ever had a moment when a single piece of information completely changed your viewpoint? That's the transformative power of facts. They have the ability to challenge our preconceived notions, break down our biases, and open our minds to new ideas. You see, facts are not just dry, static pieces of information. They're dynamic and powerful tools that can spark change in our minds, in our communities, and in our world. They're like keys that unlock new doors of understanding and allow us to see the world in a different light. And in a world that's becoming increasingly complex, the role of facts is more important than ever. We live in an age of information overload, where it's easy to get lost in the sea of data. But facts are our compass, helping us navigate through the noise and find our way to the truth. So let's appreciate the power of facts. Let's celebrate their role in shaping our understanding and guiding our decisions. Because the power of facts lies not just in their ability to inform, but also in their ability to inspire, to challenge, and to change. The power of facts lies in their ability to open our minds and help us see the world more clearly. But where do facts come from and how do they become established truths? It's a curious question, isn't it? Facts don't just pop into existence. They embark on an exciting journey, from an initial spark of curiosity to a universally accepted truth. The journey begins with research and investigation. Scholars, scientists, journalists, and even ordinary people like you and me, we all play a part in this process. We ask questions, we dig for answers, we uncover new information. This is the discovery phase, where the potential fact is unearthed. Next, we move to verification. It's not enough to simply find information, we must ensure it's accurate. This is where experts come in. They scrutinize the data, test the theories, and challenge the findings. They look for evidence, consistency, and reproducibility. They ask, can this be proven beyond reasonable doubt? This is the validation phase, where the potential fact is tested and examined under the magnifying glass of scrutiny. However, even after a fact has been thoroughly vetted, it's not yet accepted universally. It must withstand the test of time and the constant scrutiny of the global community. It must be open to challenge and re-evaluation. This is the endurance phase, where the verified fact is subjected to the global arena of knowledge. Finally, when a fact has passed through these stages, it becomes an established truth. It's accepted by scientists, taught in schools, and referenced in conversations. It becomes part of our shared understanding of the world, a reliable and valid piece of information we can all agree upon. This is the acceptance phase, where the fact finally finds its place in our collective knowledge. So, you see, the journey of a fact is a rigorous one. It's a process that demands persistence, scrutiny, and open-mindedness. It's a journey that ensures that what we accept as truth is reliable and valid. The journey of a fact is a rigorous one, ensuring that what we accept as truth is reliable and valid. In a world flooded with information, how can we distinguish between facts and misinformation? This question is a sign of the times, a testament to a digital era that spins tales faster than our minds can process. Let's set the stage. We live in an age where information is as easy to access as the device in your pocket. But with this convenience comes a flood of misinformation, a tide that threatens to wash away the truth. Misinformation isn't a new phenomenon, but its rise in recent years has been significant. The culprit? Our digital age, where anyone with an internet connection can broadcast their version of the truth to the world. This rise of misinformation is a challenge, to say the least. It muddies the waters of truth, makes it harder to discern fact from fiction. Misinformation can lead to confusion, misinterpretations, and in the worst cases, it can fuel conflict and division. But there's hope. There are ways we can navigate this turbulent sea of information and misinformation. The first step is to develop our critical thinking skills. This involves questioning what we read and hear, seeking out multiple sources, and verifying the information we encounter. Fact-checking is another essential tool in our arsenal. Many organizations are dedicated to fact-checking, debunking false claims, and providing accurate information. But it's not just their job. We should also take responsibility for the information we consume and share. Being aware of biases, both our own and those of others, can also help us navigate misinformation. Recognize that everyone, including news outlets and social media platforms, can have a bias that influences the information they present. Lastly, patience is key. It's easy to react quickly to sensational headlines, but taking the time to verify information before sharing it can make a world of difference. So, in this age of information overload, it's more important than ever to be discerning consumers of information. It's about more than just knowing facts. It's about understanding the context, the source, and the potential biases that come with those facts. Knowing how to distinguish between facts and misinformation is crucial in our information-saturated world. Because in the end, the pursuit of truth is a responsibility we all share. So, how do facts shape our society and culture? Let's dive into that. Imagine society as an intricate tapestry. Each thread represents an element that contributes to the overall picture. Facts in this context are like the foundational threads. They add structure and coherence, enabling the design to hold and make sense. When it comes to public opinion and policy, facts hold a significant role. They are the compass that guides our collective decision-making process. When we base our opinions on facts, we ensure that our perspectives are grounded in reality, not speculation or assumption. This leads to informed discussions, debates, and ultimately decisions that reflect the truth. Take, for instance, public policies. They are the blueprint for societal progress and change. When these policies are based on facts, they address real issues and provide effective solutions. Consider climate change. Fact-based policies recognize the severity of climate change and implement measures to mitigate its impact. This could range from promoting renewable energy to implementing stricter emission controls. Beyond policy and opinion, facts also spur social progress and innovation. They ignite the spark of curiosity, leading to questions, research, and ultimately, new findings. This cycle of discovery propels us forward, pushing the boundaries of what we know and can achieve. Consider the impact of facts in the field of medicine. It was facts about the nature of diseases that led to the development of vaccines, transforming public health and saving millions of lives. In technology, it was facts about physics and mathematics that paved the way for the digital revolution, reshaping our world in unimaginable ways. In essence, facts are like the DNA of our society. They determine its structure, guide its growth, and drive its evolution. They are not just static pieces of information, but dynamic tools that fuel progress and innovation. So the next time you encounter a fact, remember its power. Remember its potential to shape public opinion, influence policy, drive social progress, and inspire innovation. Facts are the building blocks of our society, driving progress and innovation. What does the future hold for facts in a rapidly changing world? A question that echoes in the minds of many as we transition into an era heavily influenced by artificial intelligence and big data. As we delve into the future, we're seeing an unprecedented influx of information. This massive surge of data presents both challenges and opportunities for the world of facts. The challenge lies in the fact that not all data is factual. Misinformation can easily be hidden within the vast sea of data, making it a daunting task to separate the wheat from the chaff. However, this is where the opportunity comes in. As we embrace the age of artificial intelligence, we're developing sophisticated algorithms capable of sifting through mountains of data to verify information. These AI systems can analyze patterns, detect inconsistencies, and cross-reference information at speeds and scales unattainable by humans. This is a game changer for fact-finding and verification. In the future, we might see AI fact-checkers becoming commonplace, providing real-time verification of information. This could revolutionize the way we consume news, the way we conduct research, and even the way we communicate. But while AI holds great promise, it's crucial to remember that it's a tool, not a replacement for human critical thinking. Moreover, blockchain technology shows promise in the world of facts. Its ability to create immutable records could provide a new level of transparency and accountability, making it harder for misinformation to thrive. Yet, as we innovate, we must remain vigilant. Technology can be a double-edged sword. The same tools that can help us verify facts can also be used to manipulate information and spread falsehoods. Navigating this landscape will require a commitment to truth, a dedication to rigorous fact-checking, and a culture that values and respects facts. As we move into the future, facts will continue to play a crucial role in shaping our world, guiding our decisions, and informing our understanding of the world. The future of facts is bright, but it is up to us to ensure that light shines on truth and reality.